Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start with the edited image open. Select it in the Develop module so you can copy its adjustments. Once selected, make sure the edits you need are visible: exposure, white balance, tone curve, local adjustments. You don't need to reset anything, just verify the image is the final version you want to replicate. Now use the Copy Settings command or keyboard shortcut so you capture only the adjustments required. This first step ensures you copy precisely what matters without extra trial and error. Now you pick which settings to copy. Open the Copy Settings dialog and tick only the panels you want to transfer: Basic for exposure and WB, Tone curve for contrast, HSL for color shifts, and Masks for local work. Once done, select the target image or multiple images in the film strip or grid. Make sure to include lens corrections if relevant. After confirming the selection, use Paste or Auto Sync to apply consistently. This targeted approach prevents unwanted changes and keeps results predictable. Finally, paste the settings into the target images and inspect results immediately. You'll often need small tweaks. If working with many photos, turn on Auto Sync so one paste adjusts all selected files. Once done, check crops, spot removal, and local masks because they can shift per image. If a photo looks off, undo and repeat with fewer panels selected, or reset problem sliders and reapply. One key tip: mismatched white balance or profile differences are common. Reapply WB manually.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.